Welcome to CPF-Coaching Tech Insights, the podcast where we break down the latest trends in technology and cybersecurity. Today, we're diving into a critical area for modern businesses, data security posture management, or DSPM. To help us understand this emerging field, I'll be discussing everything you need to know.
So, let's start with the basics. What exactly is data security posture management?
DSPM is a technology solution that provides organizations with visibility into where their sensitive data resides across various environments, including on-premises, cloud, and SaaS platforms. It goes beyond just finding data. It assesses the level of protection applied to that data, identifies security gaps, misconfigurations, and vulnerabilities, and offers recommendations for improving data security policies. The primary goal of DSPM is to identify and mitigate data-related risks.
That sounds crucial, especially with data sprawl being such a challenge. Why is DSPM so important now?
Several factors make DSPM essential today. Modern organizations deal with data spread across multiple platforms, often complicated by systems used without a department knowledge. This lack of visibility creates significant security risks. DSPM helps organizations proactively identify and mitigate these risks. By understanding where sensitive data is located, they can better manage and protect it. DSPM also assists in meeting compliance regulations like GDPR, HIPAA, and PCI DSS by mapping regulatory requirements to data policies, streamlining auditing and reporting. Finally, by reducing data breaches and ensuring secure data collaboration, DSPM provides cost efficiency.
So it's about both security and compliance, plus cost savings. How does DSPM differ from something like cloud security posture management?
That's a common question. While both are important, CSPM focuses on the security of cloud infrastructure, workloads, and configurations. DSPM, on the other hand, focuses on the data itself, its location, sensitivity, and how it's being accessed and moved. You can think of them as complementary. CSPM secures the cloud environment, while DSPM provides the data context to enforce effective security measures.
That makes sense. I've also heard of data loss prevention, or DLP. How does DSPM fit in with that?
DSPM and DLP are highly interconnected. DSPM enhances DLP by improving data classification and risk assessment by accurately identifying and tagging sensitive data. DSPM reduces false positives in DLP alerts, improves policy enforcement, and allows security teams to implement stricter controls. Basically, DSPM makes DLP much more effective.
It sounds like DSPM has a lot of moving parts. What are some key features and capabilities we should be aware of?
Absolutely. DSPM solutions typically include automated data discovery, identifying sensitive data across all environments, AI-driven data classification, using AI to categorize data based on its sensitivity and associated risk levels, continuous monitoring, tracking data access and usage patterns in real time, policy recommendations, suggesting data protection policies based on risk assessments, compliance mapping, aligning data policies with regulatory requirements, insider risk management, identifying potential risks based on employee behavior and access levels, integration with Security Copilot, using AI to assist in investigating risks, AI App Focus View, providing visibility into how generative AI applications are used, ensuring sensitive data isn't exposed.
Let's discuss trend analysis, which helps in tracking policy effectiveness over time. It's clear that DSPM is a powerful tool, but are there different ways organizations can implement it?
Yes, there are. You have standalone DSPM solutions and integrated DSPM solutions. Standalone DSPM offers more specialization and flexibility, catering well to data security teams. However, it may lack control functionality and requires manual integration with other tools. Integrated DSPM, often within a broader platform, offers simplified deployment, reduced complexity, and better operational efficiency by consolidating technologies. Integrated solutions are becoming more popular because they offer both visibility and actionability. There's also a trend towards large cybersecurity vendors acquiring DSPM startups to enhance their existing platforms. These acquisitions aim to address the need for unified data security solutions.
It seems like DSPM is adapting to new technologies as well. How is it handling the rise of generative AI?
That's a critical point. DSPM is adapting to generative AI by monitoring how these applications are used within organizations. DSPM solutions track which AI models employees are using and what data they input, and also monitor for shadow AI adoption. Additionally, DSPM is integrating into AI governance strategies to ensure sensitive data isn't exposed or improperly accessed by generative AI models. DSPM helps organizations understand the risk that is associated with the use of AI in the enterprise.
This all sounds very promising. Are there challenges in adopting DSPM?
Yes, there are some challenges. Some DSPM solutions still lack fully automated remediation capabilities. Scaling across diverse environments can be difficult for some solutions. Integrating with existing security tools can also be complex. Finally, accurately classifying data and enforcing policies effectively remains a challenge.
Any final thoughts or recommendations for our listeners?
Absolutely. Here's what I'd suggest. Start with thorough data discovery processes to identify all sensitive data. Leverage AI-driven classification to categorize data based on sensitivity. Implement continuous monitoring to detect unauthorized access. Align data policies with relevant regulations. Choose tools that integrate well with your existing systems. And importantly, educate your employees about secure data practices.
Great advice. Thank you for shedding so much light on data security posture management. It's a complex but clearly essential area for any organization looking to protect its data.
That's all for this episode of CPF Coaching Tech Insights. Join us next time as we explore another critical area in the world of technology.